Hello from Seoul. Creamy chicken is the ultimate weeknight comfort food. But you know what? Eating the same creamy sauce every time gets really boring. But don't worry about it. That's exactly why I brought this. Today, we're gonna be making creamy miso chicken, one of my absolute favorite chicken dishes of all time. There are plenty of cream-based chicken recipes out there, but this dish drops an absolute umami bomb on your taste buds. So if you got a lonely tub of miso sitting in the back of your fridge, bring that bad boy over here and give this a try. Trust me, you're gonna level up your chicken game forever. For this, you will need some chicken, button mushrooms, garlic, shallots, green onions, unsalted butter, Parmigiano Reggiano, and heavy cream. Super simple, right? There's literally no reason not to try this at home. Alright, let's marinate the chicken first. To 1 pound of boneless skin on chicken thighs, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a pinch of salt, a few shakes of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and give it a good massage. Today, I'm using chicken thighs, but if you're a big fan of chicken breast, you can absolutely use that too. So just use what you have on hand. It's all gonna taste amazing. Now, let's set the chicken aside for a moment and prep our veggies. First, take half a pound of button mushrooms and thinly slice them. But if you prefer a little more texture, then you can absolutely cut them into halves or quarters. It's totally up to you. Next, smash 5 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. And then finely dice 1 shallot. What? You don't have shallots at home? Don't worry about it. Then just use a quarter of an onion. It will work beautifully. Lastly, grab 3 to 4 green onions and thinly slice them. As always, the whites are gonna be stir-fried to infuse our oil, and the greens are gonna be used for our beautiful garnish. So make sure to keep them separate, like this. Now, let's move on to the sauce. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of miso, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and give it a good mix. Super simple, right? Trust me, this little mixture will be the ultimate flavor cheat code. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com. So please visit here if you need a written recipe. Alright, everything is all set. Let's get cooking. In a large pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it over medium-high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, place the chicken skin side down in a single layer and sear them for about 2 minutes. Once the bottom turns a beautiful golden brown, flip and sear the other side for another 4 to 5 minutes. Here, if there's too much oil in the pan, feel free to wipe out the excess fat with a paper towel. When the chicken is fully cooked, you can take it out and set it aside. Now in the same pan, add the garlic, shallots, white parts of the green onions, and saute those for about 1 minute. Once your kitchen is filled with the amazing aroma and you've got some beautiful aromatic oil, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, mushrooms, a pinch of salt, and stir fry them for about 5 minutes or until the mushrooms turn nice and golden. When the mushrooms meet our gorgeous aromatic oil, it's gonna add an incredible depth of flavor to our creamy miso sauce. So please do not ever skip this step. Once your mushrooms turn nice and golden, add your miso sauce and saute those for about 1 minute. For information, if you saute this miso in the oil, it really brings out more depth of flavor. So instead of just mixing it into the heavy cream, make sure to saute it in the oil first. Trust me, that little bit of extra effort will unlock a mind-blowing flavor. What? You wanna know this kind of tip more and more? I'm so glad you brought that up because everything you need is in these 2 books. Trust me, with these bad boys, Simply Korean and Beyond Korean, you can cook 200 East Asian dishes like Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and even Korean fusion dishes like a pro. So don't forget to check them out. The link is in the description. Once the mushrooms are beautifully coated in the sauce, add in 1.5 cups of heavy cream and give it a good stir. When it starts to bubble, reduce the heat to medium-low and gently simmer it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. Let's add half a cup of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano and a few shakes of black pepper. And then let it simmer for about 1 minute or until everything is beautifully combined. That's it, nothing complicated, right? Now grab a spoon and give it a quick taste. And add a little bit of salt if it's needed. But mine is perfect. So I'm gonna skip the salt. Alright, we're almost there. Let's set the chicken back into the pan. And don't forget to pour in those resting juices that are coming from the chicken. That's where all the crazy flavor lives. Now give it a good toast so those beautiful chicken pieces are nicely coated in our creamy miso sauce. And then finish it off with our love, green onions. But if you wanna use other herbs like parsley or basil, that's totally fine. But I'm gonna stick with this bad boy because I'm your green onion guy. Alright, looks like it's done. Looks absolutely fantastic, right? Alright, you wanna know how it tastes? Let's go to our taste tester. Claire?
Juicy tender chicken with creamy miso sauce. Wow! I can already imagine how delicious it is. Let's give it a try. 치킨이 아주 촉촉하게 소스에 흠뻑 젖어 있는 게 너무 맛있어 보이네요. Looks gorgeous, right? I want this big fat bad boy. 와! 미안합니다. 큰 거 가져가서 여기다 위에다 소스 조금만 더 띄얹어서 먹어봐야겠다. 포크랑 나이프를 먹으니까 뭔가 양식 먹는 느낌이 나네. 고급 레스토랑에서 너무 맛있겠다. Cheers! 너무 맛있다. Can I just dance? 왜 우리 양송이 스프 하나만 먹어도 진짜 맛있잖아. 감칠맛 폭탄의 그 크리미한 그런 스프. 근데 거기다가 진짜 잘 구워진 치킨이 쏙 풍덩하고 빠졌는데 맛이 없을래야 없을 수 없는 그런 맛? 진짜 감칠맛 폭탄 그런 느낌이다. 너무 맛있다. 미소에서 오는 약간의 그 향이랑 양송이에서 오는 그런 풍미 깊은 맛이랑 치킨에서 오는 또 그런 주시한 맛이 조화가 너무너무 잘 이루어져가지고 진짜 너무 맛있어. 소스도 크리미하면서도 짭조름해가지고 여기다가 뭐 밥이랑 스파게티랑 뭐든지 뭔가 이렇게 탄수화물이랑 같이 쫙쫙 먹고 싶은 그런 맛? 맛있다. 치킨도 씨어가 정말 잘 돼가지고 겉에 그 스킨 부분은 흐물흐물하지 않고 약간 바삭한 식감까지 추가해줘서 정말 맛있어. 미소가 들어가서 그런지 일반 크리미한 그런 소스보다 조금 더 복합적으로 감칠맛이 샥 느껴지는 거야. 너무 맛있어. 너무 잘 어울려. 단백질도 치킨 외에도 연어 있잖아. 그런 거랑 해도 너무너무 잘 어울릴 것 같아. 빵과 함께 곁들여 봅시다. Let's just dip it in the sauce. Cheers! 너무 잘 어울리네요. 이 맛있는 소스를 온전히 딱 전달해줘서 너무 잘 어울리네요. 이 소스와 함께라면 식빵 한 봉도 다 먹을 수 있을 것 같다. Serving with the bread is great, but you can also serve with some pasta noodles or rice. Trust me, you're gonna love it so much. Hope you guys try and enjoy. Bye. 우리 이렇게 많이 먹을 거예요, 같이.
Today, I showed you how to make creamy miso chicken, one of the most flavorful chicken dishes of all time. How was it? Super simple, easy, and absolutely delicious, right? I know you all have that miso dying in the back of your fridge, just begging to see the light of day. So this weekend, take that bad boy out, let it get some fresh air, and give this a try. If you do, you're gonna see yourself writing thank you in the comments. Yes. It's that good. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.